I'm heading out. I won't be back until late. Okay. Hello, darling. I'm home.
Where were you?
I was just out. Now, what's for dinner?
Why were you gone so long? Sometimes you'll get back late, but never 2 days.
Daddy had to do things, sweetie.
What things?
Now's not the time for that. Let's eat.
Are you seriously not going to question him? Of course not, because you don't do anything.
Now let's not be disrespectful at the dinner table. Eat your food. I love you girls. Ha ha ha. I'll get it. Stay here. May I ask who you are?
Yo, sir, don't you remember me? I'm Sarah's friend.
Well, Sarah isn't available right now.
What do you mean, Dad? Jake, come in.
Sarah, now's not the time.
Now's actually the perfect time. Jake, let's go.
Yo, your dad's kind of weird.
Daddy, where's your scar?
Oh, it healed.
Dad's been acting weird lately. I'm gonna go check on him. Dad's eating Jake. I know Dad doesn't like Jake, but he's not literally eating him.